An e-bike conversion kit comprises a set of components, enabling the transformation of a conventional bicycle into an electric one. This affordable and environmentally conscious solution empowers cyclists to enhance their current bicycles, offering the convenience and enjoyment of electric biking without the need to invest in a brand new bike. Get ready, as we're about to introduce you to 7 innovative e-bike conversion kits. The Slipstream e-bike conversion kit represents a cutting-edge and efficient solution for effortlessly transforming your beloved bicycle into an incredible electric bike. Its lightweight design seamlessly integrates with your ride, offering the freedom to pedal as usual or enjoy effortless cruising. Installation is a breeze. Simply replace the front wheel, and the best part is that this kit is compatible with most bikes featuring a standard-size front wheel. Emphasizing simplicity, the kit includes all the essential components, including an optional pedal assist system sensor, without unnecessary frills. It also incorporates state-of-the-art 3D printing technology, ensuring affordability without compromising on quality. This makes the Slipstream conversion kit a must-have, providing a cost-effective and space-saving option for experiencing the joy of electric transportation. Introducing the revolutionary e-bike kit, the world's first universal drill-powered e-bike conversion solution. The eBike has redefined the electric cycling experience, offering an extraordinary blend of ease and convenience. Within a mere 10 minutes, it seamlessly transforms your regular bicycle into an electrifying wonder, providing an affordable and effortlessly accessible solution for your daily commutes and leisurely rides. This remarkable conversion kit empowers you to embrace the liberating sensation of conquering steep hills without breaking a sweat, as it effortlessly attains speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and confidently tackles gradients ranging from 20 to 25%. The installation process is both swift and user-friendly, readily accommodating any cordless drill for power. Setting it apart from other conversion kits, the eBike facilitates seamless transitions between pedaling and riding modes, allowing you to relish both the swift power of an e-bike and the timeless joy of classic biking with a simple turn of the drill. Prepare to explore a new dimension of innovative e-bike conversion with the eBike, elevating your rides like never before. The sleek and compact Bimotal Elevate and Ultimate e-bike motor, poised to revolutionize your traditional biking experience. This innovative marvel of technology is a lightweight, detachable powerhouse that securely attaches to your bike's disc brakes, ensuring no additional strain on your chain or cassette. Despite its compact size, this e-bike conversion kit delivers impressive performance, boasting a continuous output of 50 Nm and a peak power of 100 Nm. Along with 750 watts to achieve speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. The 250 watt-hour battery, weighing a mere 1.25 kilograms, is easily removable for convenient charging. When it comes to range, the e-bike kit promises 15 to 30 miles, depending on the terrain and your riding style. What sets it apart is the programmable throttle, enabling personalized customization for the perfect ride tailored to your preferences. Prepare to elevate your biking adventure with Bimotal, a game-changer in the world of e-bike technology. Elevate your cycling experience to new horizons with the Zipforce ONE e-bike conversion kit, a remarkable innovation that effortlessly transforms your standard bicycle into a fully fledged e-bike, opening up a world of possibilities for your rides. This comprehensive kit comes equipped with a powerful motor, a reliable battery charger, a responsive pedal sensor, and a sturdy bike mount. Everything you need to fully embrace electric cycling adventures. Experience the pure joy of extended journeys with an impressive range of up to 60 kilometers, while the 250-watt motor seamlessly provides assistance at speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour. Despite its robust capabilities, this conversion kit is lightweight and straightforward to install, ensuring a smooth transition without compromising the agility and familiarity of your bike. Get ready to explore even further, conquer challenging terrains, and embark on thrilling e-bike adventures with the Zipforce ONE. Introducing the revolutionary Skarper, a groundbreaking way to immerse yourself in the world of e-biking with style and cutting-edge technology, all at your fingertips with just one click. Skarper effortlessly transforms your regular bicycle into a powerful e-bike, seamlessly blending sleek design and state-of-the-art features to provide an unparalleled riding experience. At the core of Skarper lies its ingenious all-in-one motor drive unit, compact yet potent, ensuring a smooth and dynamic ride. But the true marvel lies in its engineering. Skarper integrates a full gearbox into the rear disc brakes, cleverly harnessing the disc drive system to propel the bike with a 250-watt motor, achieving impressive speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. What sets Skarper apart is its smartphone app, which seamlessly syncing with the eBike. This app allows you to effortlessly track speed, distance, and battery level, all while receiving important reminders for an intuitive and connected journey. If you believe that installing an e-bike conversion kit is a time-consuming endeavor, think again, because the Bikee Bike Best has streamlined the process to a mere 15 minutes. In just a quarter of an hour, your traditional bike can seamlessly transform into an electric wonder with its rapid installation system. This innovative kit replaces your bike's bottom bracket, including front chainrings, instantly elevating it into the ultimate hill-climbing e-bike. Comprising two key components, the kit includes the powerful drive unit and the battery, accompanied by essential items such as crank arms, torque arm, throttle, battery holder, charger, and controller, ensuring a hassle-free conversion experience. Unlock the true potential of your ride with 4 power versions that enable you to achieve speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. This versatility provides unparalleled performance, whether for off-road adventures or in regions without speed restrictions. Embrace the full power of e-biking with the Bikee Bike Best and elevate your riding experience to new heights like never before. Let's conclude today's list with the Revos, offering a hassle-free way to transform your cherished bike into an electric wonder in less than 10 minutes. With this innovative e-bike conversion kit, you can now relish the benefits of electric pedal assist, reaching speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour, all while preserving the bike you hold dear. Commute with ease, conquer hills effortlessly, or simply infuse more enjoyment into your rides, Revos has got you covered. This user-friendly system consists of 3 easily installable components: the drive unit, pedal assist sensor, and battery. As you begin pedaling, the intuitive operation seamlessly kicks in, providing a continuous boost as long as you keep pedaling, and instantly disengaging when you stop. You have the freedom to choose whether to maintain the assist throughout your entire journey or effortlessly switch it off with a simple half-turn of the pedal. So this concludes our list of the 7 new e-bike conversion kits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.